I am Dazel and welcome to my YouTube channel. My poor YouTube channel has been neglected, almost abandoned by me. I've just been really busy, you know, starting my own business, things like that. Hint, hint, I'm self-promoting the earrings. Yeah, so if you know me, I just started an accessory store online. We're selling earrings and this is one of the designs. I'm wearing it today because I love them. And so that's what I've been doing, and lockdown happened, so we're all home, we're all busy doing things, and I was like, I want to be productive with my time, so let me go online and watch TikToks. That's what I've been doing, watching TikToks. And yeah, so I could say that lockdown made me buy it, but it's more of TikTok made me buy it because I've been on TikTok so much. It's not healthy. So as you can tell from the title, I decided to buy myself a pair of roller skates. I am so excited. It literally came today. The delivery guy knocked on my door and I was like, we're filming a YouTube video. I'm so excited. I haven't done this in a long time, filming and roller skating. And I saw this girl on TikTok and she was living her best life roller skating. And I was like, you know what? I want to be her. I want to be as cool as her. So I went on the hunt to look for the best, well not the best, but like the prettiest roller skates. And that is what this giant box beside me is. So that is what we're unboxing it today. Oh god, I am not gonna be taking it down for a spin. I'm just gonna be roller skating in my living room so my roommate can watch me, I guess. So basically I ordered this literally 3 days ago and it's here and I am excited. A little bit of backstory. When I was young, I used to rollerblade, or as a lot of people know it, like inline skate for many years, and I was pretty good at it. Like me and my friends did classes and we got up to quite a high grade in it. So I'm actually pretty used to being on wheels, but like 4 in a line and not like quads. And the first time I've actually roller skated was 2 years ago at one of those Christmas fair things with the roller discos. So that was the first time I was actually on quad skates. And when I was bored of the lockdown, I was like, you know what? We're allowed like one form of exercise. I want to go skating because I miss it. Plus I saw the girl on TikTok and was like, I want to be her. But then I already own a pair of like blades back in Singapore and didn't see a point in buying another one. So I was like, why don't I get a pair of really cute roller skates? And I found this beautiful pair, and okay, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna unbox it first and then I'll continue talking. So yeah, let's open it. I've taken the liberty to already like slice it open just because I didn't want to bother with scissors here. Now we're gonna open it. Okay, so it's massive. Look at them. Oh my god, the box actually corresponds with the color of the skates. So I bought teal, and I think it was teal and coral. I'm gonna take it out. It is really heavy, like it is so heavy. I'm gonna push it aside. It is by a brand called Rio Roller, and if you guys like retro pastel pretty looking skates, they do some beautiful ones and they're not too expensive. They're pretty affordable. I was looking at a few other brands like Impala, but Impala looked a bit too stiff, and I was looking at Moxie, but Moxie's really expensive, so I was like, you know what, not for me this time. And there are a few other brands, but this one for some reason really caught my eye and I was like, yes. So let's just hope that it fits because I heard that it is kind of narrow and I've got quite wide feet. So I ordered based on my shoe size, which I'm a UK 5. So let's hope that it fits me. Ooh, oh my god! I'm so excited. You have no idea. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello, beautiful. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's a few things to keep in mind when buying skates, and I'm going to kind of talk you through it if you want to get your own skates. I'm so excited they're coming back because like I just want to live my roller disco 80s fantasy right now, and these are so beautiful. Okay, these are the Rio rollers. They're the script ones if I'm not wrong, and this is the teal and coral one. When it comes to roller skates, there are things to look out for. In terms of the wheels, the softer the wheel, the better for outdoors, and the harder the wheel, the better for indoors. These are 82A wheels, which means it's kind of in between. You want like 78A if you want to go outdoors more comfortably, but these are fine for both indoors and outdoors. I don't know if you wanted to know that, I'm just letting you know. But if I'm more comfortable to go outdoors in them, I do intend to change the wheels. Stopper. There are some with adjustable stopper, so you can screw it and make it closer to the floor. This one isn't adjustable, it's just stuck on, so you know, the angle. You basically have to decide like how much support you want your ankle to have. I want it quite like a stiff one because I know the Moxie ones are kind of suede, so they're a bit more comfortable, but it's not as much ankle support. So I went with this, and how beautiful. This is the other side. So got them both out now. Should I put it on? And I need to go get myself some socks. Be right back. Right. Got my socks. I am intending to get a bit better socks, but this is the first one I could grab. They're like really just soft whites. Right, let's hope it fits. Oh, and also another thing. I tried to match my nails for this moment because I knew they were coming, so I was like, I'm gonna paint my nails almost the same color as them, but they match, so I guess it's worth pointing out since I went through all the effort to paint my nails last night. I'm gonna have to sit here and set them now, so it's gonna take a little while. All right, I'm gonna put them on. Just shove my foot in there. Please be my size. That is a tight fit. Hold on, is there something inside? Yes. Yes, there is. There's paper. I was like, oh no, we're in trouble. All right, yeah, it fits me. Okay, so when you want to wear skates, I definitely recommend you hitting the heel on the floor several times so that it fits you. That's the best way to wear skates. Rollerblades, roller skates, ice skates. Just do that. Oh, I forgot the paper in the other one. Gosh dang it. I love them. They're on my foot now. Look at them. Boop. Don't mind my leg hair. It's locked down. I don't care. But they're on my feet. They feel good. They feel nice and secure. If you're a beginner at blading skating in general, please wear protective gear. I've got protective gear on its way. I will wear them, but not today. But I do have them on its way to me. Even, oh my god, tying laces have made me breathless. Even though like I'm comfortable and experienced in skating, I still want to protect myself. So yeah, please wear protective gear, knee pads, elbow pads, wrist pads, and also I have to get used to it because when you're rollerblading, you usually break like that with your heel, but now that the stopper is in front like this, gotta get used to that, and I can't rely on, you know, going back because obviously I'm gonna fall. They're adorable, and I'm gonna take you guys to my living room for a little spin. Let's go. These are the skates, and I'm literally like so used to breaking backwards that I'm very tipsy. Not in a drunk way, just like in an unstable way. But what do you think? That's Joan, by the way. She's currently studying. I think it just takes getting used to, but I like them. Wear protective gear, children. Wear protective gear. But yeah, I'm just showing off the skates, I guess. Not much else I can do in my living room. Getting better. Stop. Okay, so my overall review is that if you want like super pretty skates, Rio Roller is the way to go. I'll put everything you need to know down in the description box. I am in no way affiliated. I wish I was, but I am not at all. And I paid about $79.95 for these. I had to hunt these high and low because apparently there's a roller skate shortage worldwide because apparently everyone's buying them now, and I could not find my size. It was just sold out everywhere, so I hunted them down and I found them, and I'm so happy with them, and they are beautiful. I might be posting more videos now that I have time and skates and time. So yeah, I guess that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys stick around for the next one because I don't know when that will be. So yeah, I guess that's about it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.